Hello, friends. When it comes to feelings of elation, there aren't many as powerful as when a woman realizes she's pregnant. For 23-year-old Alexandra Kanova of Milovice, Czech Republic, however, her roller coaster of a pregnancy was something that went truly beyond the realms of normality. Alexandra and husband Antonin had already been blessed with a son. Following her discovery that she'd conceived a second time, the couple were eagerly awaiting a little brother or sister for their boy. There was to be one small difference this time around, though. Alexandra's pregnancy would go on to become world news. Alexandra and her partner would be forgiven for expecting a repeat of the first time around, right up until they saw the ultrasound. On one fateful day in 2013, the couple first set eyes on their baby on the big screen. It was then that doctors gave them the news that left Alexandra in tears of joy. As per the Daily Mail, there wasn't just one baby growing inside of her. There were two. Alexandra and Antonin had previously talked about having 3 children, so the surprise was one they accepted with smiles. Little did they know that this particular surprise was just a side portion compared to the main meal they were about to be served. The next time they visited for scans, the doctor had even more incredible news for the pair. This time, the ultrasound had shown something that none of them could have predicted. Something, in fact, that no parent imagines they could possibly ever hear. It turns out Alexandra wasn't expecting twins. The mom of one was told she was about to become a mom of 5. That's right, she was carrying 4 babies. Only she wasn't. There was yet one more twist in the tale. The 23-year-old's stomach refused to keep growing. Once again, Alexandra and Antonin went to an ultrasound, and once again, doctors told them something shocking. In fact, they found something that practically made history. She was pregnant with no less than 5 babies. To put things in perspective, the chances of a female falling pregnant with quintuplets is 1 in several million. When the summer rolled around, it was time for the big day, the birth. Up until the day in question, doctors had been unable to tell the sex of the babies. In any case, the medical team in the delivery room was twice the size of usual, and not a soul in there wasn't nervous concerning what was to come. In the end, though, Alexandra gave birth to 4 boys and 1 girl. Welcomed to the world via C-section, the occasion marked the first time in the history of the Czech Republic that quintuplets would be delivered without the mother having any sort of fertility treatment beforehand. Dad Antonin was actually close to missing the birth as he got stuck in traffic. In the end, though, he managed to get to his wife's side in the nick of time. The boys were named Daniel, Michael, Alex, and Martin, whilst the girl was named Teritska. Soon after the birth, both mother and babies were taken to the intensive care department to recover. In the end, things worked out just fine, and all 6 were able to go home happy and healthy. Dr. Elena Merkova explained, "In this specific country, we have been actively recording statistics of birth ever since 1949, and in that time, there has never been a mention of quintuplets. As a matter of fact, quintuplets are birthed in the Czech Republic once in every 480 years on average. Today, it's been a few years since Alexandra's unique pregnancy, but it's lost nothing of its magic."